how to assemble your U1 DIY casing? Before we dive in, you'll need to prepare the printed parts yourself. Search for Simon Z U1 top cover online to get the free STL files for this color scheme. Now, let's officially get started with the assembly. Step 1. Insert the disc magnets into the holes. If some holes feel a bit loose, just use a little fast-drying glue. Step 2. Installing the base. Now, pay attention here. Keep those plastic strips completely vertical when tapping them in. If they go in crooked, they are very hard to pull out. You might even end up like, well, what you see here in the video. Step 3. Install the front door frame. Step 4. Install the back panel. If a plastic strip isn't sitting deep enough, try this pro tip. Use a hex key to measure the depth with your finger. Compare it to the others, and then tap down the long ones. Step 5. Install the top cover plate. Step 6. Install the door handle. And that's it! Assembly complete! Congratulations!